Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to create WhatsApp channel. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. If you want to create WhatsApp channel guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to create your account in WhatsApp business, because you don't have any feature to create WhatsApp account. Okay guys, so if you have normal WhatsApp, then you won't be able to create your channel. Okay guys, so what you need to do guys, just simply you have to create your account in WhatsApp business. Let me show you here guys. Now I'm going to open my WhatsApp. Now guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on three dots and then go to settings, or you can also see advertise, or you can see here create channel option. I don't have that option because I don't have my WhatsApp verified. Okay guys, if you want to create your channel on WhatsApp, then you have to verify your WhatsApp first. To verify your WhatsApp guys, you should have verified Instagram or verified Facebook, or you should have news article on the Google. Okay guys, so if you want to create it, just simply you have fulfill both of these conditions. So that's pretty much for today video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.